Hello guys, good afternoon. So today is Friday, so it's my day off. So right now guys, pupunta tayo sa Al Rashid Mall, no? Kasi it's been a long years na rin ako hindi nakapagpasyal sa Rashid Mall. Dito lamang yan sa Al Kubar area, no? So guys, nandito ako sa Uber with my driver Uber here, si Sir. See?
Hi,
Say hello. He's a nice person, guys. He's a friendly. He don't like afraid. Oh, I mean, he don't afraid of cameras. But anyway, guys, look at the weather now. Oh. It's so cool. Not so much hot, not too much cold. So look, a lot of people playing cricket. Indian people. But anyway, guys, so let's sit there kung anong meron sa Al Rashid Mall, kasi I do believe na nagbago na ang Rashid Mall ngayon for the, tapos ang kanilang yung renovation. So the last time nagpunta ko doon, hindi ako pinapasok kasi naka-short ako. So I forget that is a family day, kasi dito sa Saudi Arabia during Fridays bawal kang pumasok na naka-short kasi family days yun. So maraming family pupunta sa mga mall. So weekdays lang pwedeng kang naka-short pumasok doon. So alam mo na, so sumunod lang tayo sa protocols nila, guys, no? So anyway, look at the cars. Ang ganda ng car niya, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Latest model lang kayang binayso. Pagkaman 100 plus the week ka. So guys, so look at that. May bago na namang patayo dito mga mall. So kung yaman ng mga Saudi, no? They build their own businesses. Ayan. Ayan. So dawin na tayo, guys. Mga ilang oras ba? Hindi tabutan ng oras, minutes lang. I think mga 2 minutes arrive na tayo doon. So wait lang.